Welcome back to Chef Daddy Life, where we make cooking easy so your next meal is your best meal. Today is July 3rd. It is indeed peach season. One of my favorite pies is Tippin's Peach Cooler Pie. Today we're gonna make Tippin's Peach Cooler Pie in the form of bars. We're gonna use a graham cracker crust. We're going to make that. Then we're going to blanch. What's that? And Millie's helping too, and so is Charlotte, but Charlotte's eating cereal. We're gonna blanch the peaches, we're gonna macerate the peaches, we're gonna make a vanilla custard filling and a whipped cream topping, and we're gonna put it in the fridge. We're gonna eat it later, and it's gonna be amazing. We'll see you in a sec.
We're gonna make graham.
Okay, we're making the graham cracker crust. We have one package of graham crackers in the food processor. We're getting ready to put another pack in. That's 2 packs of graham crackers. We're gonna put a stick of butter in and just about a heaping teaspoon of sugar, and we'll bake that at 350 for about 10 minutes.
Okay, let's put these graham crackers in 1, 2, 3. Let's crunch them, guys.
We'll be right
Okay,
back.
we're back now.
All right, we're gonna put the sugar in with the graham crackers. Go ahead, Millie. Okay, we're all ground up here. We got our butter, we got a little sugar, we got a pinch of salt, a pinch of cinnamon, our 2 packages of graham crackers. Now we're gonna dump this into a 9x13 greased pan and or dish, and then we're going to press it into the crust. We'll pop that baby in the oven, and we'll show you what it looks like when we get it out. All right, the crust is in the oven. While it's baking, we're gonna go ahead and make the vanilla custard. We're gonna start with 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a half cup of sugar. We're gonna scrape a vanilla bean into that. The crust is out of the oven. It was in there for 10 minutes, and it looks like it's just about ready. Meanwhile, we've scraped the inside of our vanilla bean into our milk and our sugar and our cornstarch, and I've got the shell of the bean in there steeping as well. And we'll get our eggs ready to go here and get this custard made. The milk mixture is starting to thicken now, and our egg yolks have been separated and whipped, and we're about to temper the eggs with the milk mixture, and then we'll pour it all back into the pan. We'll have our custard. Okay, we got our custard in the dish, and we're gonna let it cool. While it cools, we're gonna go ahead and blanch and dice and macerate the peaches. That's gonna be the next layer. We've got a pan of boiling water here. We're blanching these peaches for approximately 30 seconds a piece, just like you would blanch tomatoes when skinning them to make a sauce. Our peaches are diced and they're macerated with about a 1/4 cup of sugar. We're gonna let those sit in their juices for about another hour while the custard and the crust cools in the fridge, and they'll be ready to put this thing together. In the meantime, we're gonna make the whipped cream. So if you've ever made whipped cream before, you know that you start with basically half as much cream as you end up with whipped cream. So in this case, I've got a 1.5 cups of heavy cream. We're gonna pour that in. And so we're basically gonna end up with 3 cups of whipped cream. Charlotte's gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The whipped cream is done, and the girls are enjoying a popsicle. There's a whipped cream. All right, let's put this thing together, shall we? There we go.